Hello guys, this is Crypto Doge here, back with another video teaching you guys how to make cryptocurrency passively on the side. Okay, so in this video I just want to talk about an update for Bitpetite and ChainGroup here. Bitpetite and ChainGroup both going really well. Withdrawals, both of them perfect. There has been one stuck withdrawal for a little bit of time, but I'm not too concerned with that. Um, it's been happening for a few people, but they've been going through after a day or two, so it should be fine. So let's talk about Bitpetite first. So like I said, I started with a 6-week plan for $160, $169, but then I realized that the 9-week is actually a bit more profitable. So I put $95. I reinvested $95 into the the 6-week. So the 9-week, I mean to the 9-week, not the 6-week. So the 6-week one is already almost halfway, and the 9-week one, the 6-week one is almost halfway, and the 9-week one is just started. So we've made $122 out of the 264, so we're almost halfway, which is good. And most of the money I'm getting from Bitpetite, I'm actually reinvesting into ChainGroup, because ChainGroup, I honestly like ChainGroup even better than Bitpetite, but we'll talk about that in a minute. So there has been some updates with Bitpetite. The website was down for a little while. People were a bit scared about that, but I really wasn't. It's just because they're gonna be adding Monero to the investment proposal very soon. It's supposed to be by the end of this weekend, so it could be actually today. It could be coming out, which is actually interesting. Right now it's the weekend, so I'm only getting a little bit because you only get 1% per day on the weekends, and then on the weekdays you either get 4.5% for the 6-week or 3.6% for the 9-week. So obviously it is the weekend right now, so I'm not getting as much, but it's fine. Okay, so yeah, Bitpetite going strong. Nothing really too exciting to talk about. The returns pretty good, pretty not too bad. You get 140, you get 47% for the 6-week and 80 for the 9-week. I'd recommend the 9-week because you do get more. If you guys want to sign up, description below will be my link to sign up. Okay, so for ChainGroup right now I have $118 invested. Most of it is in Dragon Foundation, but I did put a little bit in BitStrong. Let's look at here. We've been doing a lot of reinvesting. So I started off with like $40, then I put another 15, 24, 33. And so already this first one is already at 22% ROI, even though it was only what 8 days ago. 8 days ago, and it's already at 22%, which is freaking insane considering that these contracts are for 180 days. Like if you guys want to see, oh, Bitstrong got 2.8%. Okay, nice. But if you see here, Dragon Foundation has not even been up for 180 days. See, it's the term is for 180 days, but it's only been up for 114 days. And in that 114 days, they've went up 344%. So that's like, and that's not even the full 180 days. So that means in about 114 days, I'll like almost quadruple my money. So that means in 180 days, for sure I'm going to quadruple my money, maybe even 5 times my money in half a year, which is actually crazy. If you think about it, that's crazy. The percentages for Dragon, pretty stable, which I like. It's always a little bit above 2%, I would say. 2 to 2.5, sometimes a bit like to 3, but it's always around 2% and a bit higher, which is actually nice. The reason why I put a bit of money into BitStrong is because I want to reinvest. But the thing is with Dragon Foundation is the minimum is $10, and for Bitstrong the minimum is $5. So I had like $5 and something and change. So I was like, oh, okay, might as well put it into Bitstrong since their minimum is lower, so I can start making money. For Bitstrong, their percentages are a little bit crazy. They go a little bit crazy, but actually for the last 7 days, the percentages for Bitstrong are actually a little bit higher. But what I like about Dragon Foundation is that I like better is that it's 180 days, while Bitstrong is only 100 days. So that means you have a lot more money, a lot more time to make more money with Dragon Foundation. For Bitstrong, yeah, there are some high days, 5%, but then there's some lower days, 1%. So it's a bit more crazy, a bit more whatever. But I would say Dragon Foundation is a lot more stable. Xbots, I don't really want to go into it because look at this. First of all, minimum 250, very high minimum. Like it's not that high, but whatever. Like for reinvesting, it's high. And then the deposit term only 90 days too. The percentages are not bad, but But like you see, they're lower than the Dragon Foundation and lower than Bitstrong, so I wouldn't really go into XBots. Um, and CNC, I don't know, it doesn't seem very interesting to me. The percentage is very low. TG Thomas, percentages are very low, but you do get your money back. Principal refund, yes, but the deposit term 300 days. That's a long time to get your deposit back, which is a little annoying. So, and then the ChainGroup one, this is really just a stable 0.2% per day, and you do get your principal back, but 500 days. That's a lot. So pretty much what it is it doubles your money in 500 days. So within that 500 days, you'll get exactly your ROI back, and then you'll get your deposit back. So you pretty much doubled your money in 500 days. But I'd definitely rather Dragon Foundation, where I can double my money in like 80 days, like less than 3 months. You can double your money for sure, and then triple, and then quadruple by the end of this. Definitely at least quadruple, no matter what, as long as it stays up, of course. But yeah, definitely the ROI on this is really good. So I'm going to start putting most of my money onto Dragon Foundation. The only reason why I said I put money in Bitstrong is because of the lower minimum. But once I start getting to a point where I start getting over $10 every single day, then I'll be putting it all into Dragon Foundation, because that means I can reinvest every single day. I want to get this up to about $1,000 total, which would be insane, because if I have over 1,000 in it, let's say I get about let's say I get 2.5%, which is actually really a normal day for Dragon Foundation. 2.5%. That means I'll be getting $25 every single day, which would be amazing. And then I can keep reinvesting it if I want to, or I can just start pulling out the money, which would be insane, because I only actually put in around, I would say I put in around $80, because like some of it's reinvested, so I put in about $80. So if I keep reinvesting and start making $25 a day, that would be insane for such a small investment. But yeah, I'm definitely gonna keep putting money into ChainGroup. Most of the money I'm getting from Bitpetite right now, my strategy is most of the money I'm getting from Bitpetite, I'm putting back into ChainGroup. Also, I just made a video about Aurora Mine. Yeah, I did put $80 in. They are still paying. I am getting 1163 because I did do 1163 per day because I did do some reinvesting. So if you guys want to sign up for Aurora Mine, I would do it with caution, not put too much money in, because it could close down any day right now. But if you are really someone who who likes an adventure, who likes risk, then if you really like risk, then you should put your money in, I guess. But I'm definitely not putting any more money in. I'm just trying to get my $80 that I put in to begin with. And yeah, right now I've taken out about like $17, so I still have a lot more to take out before I get my ROI. So as long as it stays up for another 5-6 days, I will get my ROI, sorry guys. So that's pretty much it for the update for the ChainGroup and Bitpetite, and also Aurora Mine, but Aurora Mine's not staying up for much longer. I will be making more videos about different investments and talking about the market too. Let's just talk about the market a bit for 2 seconds in this video, why not? So Bitcoin, as you guys know, hit over $6,000, which is, to me, it's just crazy to think about it, since Bitcoin was at 3,000 a month and a half ago. It dipped to 3,000. So honestly, to me, guys, that's just like crazy, just crazy. So if you go here, this is a 1-day chart. This is when it dipped. Wait. Oh no, I'm on. Sorry guys, I'm on Litecoin. Okay. There, this makes more sense. Okay. So this is, oh no, it's here. This is when it dipped to 3,000. This was September 15th, and now it's October 22nd. So that only a little bit over a month. It goes from 3,000 all the way to 6,000. That just blows my mind, guys. You can see how just the growth of Bitcoin is just crazy in my eyes. Like almost every single day is a green candle. It's just crazy. It came out of the Bollinger Band, came back down, came back in. It's always on the top of the Bollinger Band. You see, like Bollinger Bands, I like it because you can see here, it really got out of the Bollinger Band. Let's say you bought right here. Oh my God, perfect growth. Like you can make a line from here. It's just like a perfect line to the upside. It's not even, it's just crazy. Like just look at this perfect line to the upside. It's it's like a perfect, just look at this, guys. Like, that's the best thing you can see in a market, honestly. And just buying the dips on Bitcoin is just really profitable. Even if you just bought this dip, boom, bought this dip, boom, boom, boom. Like here, dropped to 5,000, boom, came back to 6,000. Like, this is just insane, guys. And I want to show you guys something of how stable Bitcoin is, because everyone says, oh, Bitcoin's really unstable, which is true. It's very volatile. But if you go to the 1 month chart, look at the 1 month chart. Every single candle is green except for this one. Since the beginning of 2016, every single candle has been green except for one of them, which means every single month Bitcoin has went up. It doesn't mean that it didn't ever go down in a month. It went down, but then by the end of the month, it went up from last month. No matter what, it went up, it went up, it went up, it went up, and went up. And like the candles just keep getting bigger too. Like these candles, yeah, they're small increases, and then they just keep getting bigger, 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 bigger. Like, it's just crazy, guys. Like, Bitcoin, it keeps amazing me. I wasn't even sure we were gonna be able to get over 5,000, and now a few days later we get to 6,000. That's just crazy. And yes, it's because of the forks. And I'm definitely gonna be buying into Bitcoin after it drops, after the Bitcoin Gold fork. It's probably gonna have a drop, and then after that I'm gonna buy for the SegWit 2x um, fork, which is even gonna be a bigger fork than Bitcoin Gold. So I actually see this price getting to 7,000, 7,500, something like that, which would be just insane, just insane. I don't even know like what to say, guys. So yeah, that's it for this video. Yeah, I'm pretty hyped about Bitcoin. I don't know if you guys noticed or not, but definitely I see also Neo going back up as Bitcoin goes down a bit, has a little bit of a dip. But yeah, some of the altcoins are actually going up now, which is nice. Vertcoin is just going insane. I was gonna get into Vertcoin, but then I was like, I'm not sure. But now it's just going so high. Like, let's see if I can actually get it on TradingView. I just want to see what's VTC. 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 No, not to Bitcoin though. I want to do it to USD. USDT. No, not USDT to use. Okay, let's just do. Okay, Vertcoin to dollar. Okay, whatever. Perfect. Okay, where is it? Okay, not in the 1 month chart. Let's go into like let's do the 30-minute. Amazing. I wanted to buy around here, $2. Oh, boom, almost $5. That's just, oh, that's crazy, guys. Vertcoin. Just look at this chart. Insane increase, guys. Like Vertcoin, people are saying it's the next Litecoin. Anyway, anyway, guys, I'm rambling a lot about the market. That wasn't the point of this video. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please leave a like, and if you guys want to sign up to any of the HYIPs I talked about in this video, then they're gonna all be in the description below. So I'll see you guys later. I'm out. Have a good day in cryptocurrency. Bye.